Oh Allah the Almighty,
Allahu Allah,
protect me and guide me,
Allahu Allah,
oh, to your love and mercy.
Allahu Allah,
Ya Allah, don't deprive me
Allahu Allah,
from beholding your beauty.
Allahu Allah,
Oh my Lord, accept this plea.
Allahu Allah. Hasbi Rabbi Jalla